In this video, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel to sell digital products. Step 1. Set up your product. Inside GoHighLevel, go to the Payments and then Product section and add your digital item, whether it's an ebook, a course, or downloadable template. Step 2. Create a sales funnel. Use GoHighLevel's drag and drop builder to design a landing page with a strong headline, product details, and a call to action button. Make it simple but persuasive. Step 3. Connect payment options. Link Stripe or PayPal directly inside GoHighLevel so customers can buy your product instantly without friction. Step 4. Deliver your product automatically. Set up an automation that sends a confirmation email with the download link or login details right after purchase. Step 5. Add-on sales. GoHighLevel lets you maximize profits by offering add-on products or discounts right after checkout. Step 6. Track sales performance. Use the built analytics to see how many visitors and sales your funnel is generating. And just like that, with GoHighLevel, you can create a fully automated system to sell digital products and grow your online income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.